Hey guys, so I am at the hive today and I want to show you a couple things. Number one, you can see on the little observation window they have almost fully built out all the wax on this, and it's focusing on the reflection. The bees are filling this up with nectar and honey, and I am at a place with the actual hive that they have filled these inner frames and capped them. There's a little bit of info that Chatham County may be spraying, and so one of my concerns is I want to keep the honey that we've got and not have any issues with contaminants getting inside, things like that. So I actually harvested one of the frames yesterday, but I didn't get it on video. So with this one, I'm going to record it so everybody can see. But this is one of the reasons I love the flow hive, the reason I got this hive specifically. And so you can see this is the little nozzle. I'll pull it out real quick, but there's a plug here at the bottom. You put this little nozzle in, and then the honey's going to flow through there. I'm going to drain this hive, which is one of the more full ones, and then I may actually do this one too and just have these 3 frames that should, I got a half a gallon out of this first one, and there should be about a half a gallon each out of those. But one of the cool things about the flow hive is that the frames are collected at different times throughout the season, and so there's typically different flowers, and the honey can taste different. So I don't want to mix it with the honey that I've already pulled, and I want to see if it tastes any different. So this first little batch, I'm just going to do in a smaller jar. I have a full gallon jar over there to collect in if I need to. But I just want to show you kind of the fun of this. There's this little rod that you put into the bottom of this, and I don't want to put it in too far because I don't want to crack the whole frame. But I'm going to turn that, and then, if I can zoom in real quick, you can see it's starting to drain. And then, I'm making a mess over here. And the honey just comes out and goes into the jar. So it's really, you can see kind of real time, we're filling up the honey jar. It's a really warm day, so it's coming out pretty quickly. You can see it just flowing through the little nozzle here. But there's honey. And the bees aren't bothered, and everything's kosher, and everybody's happy. So this is the second frame that I'm harvesting. Like I said, I got about a half gallon off of the last one, and you can literally just pull that off. Oh, that does taste different. That's really cool. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep these separate from the other honey frame, so I'm probably going to use that extra gallon one when I take the rest of this. But that'll be, so far, if I do this other frame, I still have to decide if it's ready. I haven't taken it out to get a look inside yet to see if it's fully capped. I did check this other one, and it was about 90-95% capped. So if it's capped, then we'll go ahead and see about harvesting. Just thought I would share and show you the magic of the flow hive. Meanwhile, inside, they're still Focus. You can see the bees themselves, they're all happy, hunky-dory, all around the front of the hive. Almost fell. They're good to go. Nobody has any issues. And this is still filling out. This is a quart jar. I only moved in about a third of the frame to from the little bar here that you slide in. That slides all the way into the hive and keeps cracking the frame as you go down. So I only did a third of it. But anyway, that's the flow hive.